All right, how's it going, 7th grade? Now, today, what you're going to be watching is a video that the 7th grade team has created for you. Now, there's a couple changes that you're going to have to really pay attention to. The first change is when you walk into school, the minute that you get to school, you're going to be going to your home base. Now, the 7th grade home base is on the bottom floor. So all the 7th graders are going to be on the bottom floor. So make sure you go down the stairs to get to your classroom. On top of that, we have the Essentials team. Now, the only time you're going to be leaving the classroom is to go either to the bathroom, the cafeteria, or to your Essentials classes. Now, the Essentials classes are located in 209 and 210. In the 2 media centers up on the 3rd floor, and in the gymnasium. All right, with all of that being said, we're going to kick it off with the 7th grade team. They did a wonderful job producing this video, and we're going to go right to Mrs. Davis.
Hey guys, we're really excited to have you back in 7th grade. We've missed you since March, but because of what's going on, we have a couple of things that have changed. So we're going to do a quick video and walk you through some of the things that we're going to be doing throughout the day. So one of the big things this year is we're all going to have assigned seats. So when you come into the classroom on your first day, your teacher will meet you at the door and they'll let you know where you're sitting.
All right, you're my first student today. My name is Mrs. Ciani. What's your name?
Miss Ramey.
Mrs. Ramey. I'm glad to have you back. You're going to be assigned to the first seat. You're going to sit there for the day. Hello, student number 2. How are you?
Hello, good. How are you?
I'm great. I'm Mr. Ciani.
I'm Mrs. Nam.
All right, you're going to be assigned to the second seat, and that's where you're going to sit for the day.
Okay, thank you. One of the other things this year that's going to change is that instead of you guys rotating around between your classes, your teachers are actually going to rotate to you. So when you get to your home base, that's where you'll be, except for your essentials, which you'll get pulled out for.
All right, guys, we'll see you tomorrow. Have a good rest of your day.
Great job in class today, guys. Keep it up. We'll see you tomorrow.
Hi, guys. Now we're going to switch gears and we're going to have some language arts.
We're going to read for the whole 48 minutes.
Woo-woo!
Great job, guys. Now, let's meet the 7th grade teams and the Essentials team.
Hi, guys. I'm Mr. Ciani, Intervention Specialist on the Green Arrows team for the 7th grade. And I enjoy watching Sports Center with my 5-year-old son every morning. See you soon.
Science is to be determined.
Hi, guys. I am Mrs. Wingate. I teach 7th grade math for this Green Arrows team. And an interesting fact about me is that I have a 1-year-old son.
I'm Mrs. Knapp. I'm the paraprofessional for the Green Arrows team, and I also coach middle school cheerleading.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Augustus. I teach social studies. A fun fact is I show and breed snorts.
And language arts is to be determined.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Off, and I'm the Clover Squad Intervention Specialist. Fun fact about me, I got married 3 weeks ago.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Detweiler, and I'm the language arts teacher for the Clover Squad, and you will always see me with a cup of coffee.
Hi, I'm Miss Ramey. I teach math for Clover Squad, and I have a cat named Nala.
Good morning. I am Mrs. Drogo. I'm the paraprofessional for the Clover Squad. And fun fact, I am a high school bowling coach.
Hey guys, I'm Miss Davis for Social Studies on the Clover Squad team, and I went out to Joshua Tree this summer. And science is to be determined.
Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Smith, and I'm down here in the resource room, room 114, and I'm going to be teaching primarily language arts and math. I can't wait to get started. I'm looking forward to seeing everybody, and I think we're going to have a wonderful school year together. So can't wait to see you. Bye.
Hi boys and girls, welcome back. We are looking so forward to seeing you. My name is Mrs. Flemming. I am going to be working with 7th and 8th grade students with the resource room and doing some extra supports in classroom as well, so I'll see you around. I know there's a lot of changes and it seems like a lot is going on right now. Just know we're all here for you. We're really excited to see you and we're going to have a wonderful year. Bye.
Hey everybody, I'm Mr. Michael. I teach art here at the middle school, and this is the Essentials team. And we got right here Mr. Wachtel, and I'll be your tech teacher, and we'll be doing keyboarding and coding.
I'm Mr. Murphy. I teach physical education and health. I'm Mr. Tim. I teach music. I'll be with band and choir.
And I'm Mrs. Leonard. I teach choir.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Gasper. I also teach physical education and health.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Petrock. I teach foreign language, so you may be taking Spanish or French, or 8th graders would be a combination.
So we'd like to welcome you all back, and it's looking like it's going to be a fun year. See you soon! Hey!
All right.
Now that you've met the 7th grade teams and the Essentials team, we're going to take it to Nurse Dawn, who's going to go over some protocols that have been put in place.
Hello, this is Nurse Dawn from Cloverleaf Middle School. Like everything else this year, the clinic has also changed its guidelines and policies on what we are doing. This year, we have divided the clinic into several parts to minimize exposure to our sick children. The clinic will always be sanitized between students, and at night we'll have a deep cleaning each night. To start, I want to talk about the differences this year that you may have noticed different from last year. Parents bringing in medication will meet in the office vestibule, so you will not be coming into the actual office to drop off medication. You will be in the vestibule, and I will meet you there to talk about the paperwork and to get the medication from you. If your child takes daily medication, they will no longer come into the clinic to get that medication. When they come down, we're going to utilize the window next to the cafeteria for daily medication. So that way, this reduces the amount of time that your child is exposed to anybody that is sick in the clinic. If your child feels ill, we will have a triage system that's going to be outside of the main office. Students are not going to be coming into the clinic unless they have been triaged by me first before they can come in. The clinic, since it's now divided into areas, we can only allow at the most 3 students in here. So we do want to make sure that the ones that are in here are the ones that we need to isolate first before we go and take someone who might be just injured where I can treat them outside the office rather than coming into the clinic. Per the Ohio Department of Health guidelines, parents will need to pick up their child within the hour unless this is discussed with me ahead of time. So we do make provisions, especially if you're coming a long way from work to pick up your child. I would suggest that maybe you have a backup person that can available to pick up your child. When picking up your child, you will stay in the office vestibule to sign them out. We are not going to have you come into the office to physically sign the child out. If you're not feeling well yourself, please let me know at that time. We can make arrangements for us to walk your child out to the car and we will sign them out. So please let me know when I do call you. I do follow the guidelines from the Ohio Department of Health regarding ill students and COVID symptoms at school and when the student can return to school. These guidelines can be found on our Cloverleaf website under the Parents tab, and you just scroll down to the nurse section and everything is there that you need. If not, please feel free to call me at any time. As an RN, I do not diagnose medical issues. If your child is experiencing any COVID-19 symptoms, they will be required to be picked up unless there's a medical reason indicated by a medical note, such as asthma or allergies. In order for your child to return, if they have 2 or more of the COVID symptoms, we will either need a medical note from the doctor or you will be required to quarantine your child for 10 days. They will not be able to come back. If there's any questions, I know this was very short and brief, feel free to call me at 330-302-0203 is my direct line. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much for watching this video. First off, we want to say how much we love you guys and how we're so excited to see you back in the building. Take care.